Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about how to add coupons and discounts. Let's talk about key features and benefits. Coupons and discounts will help you to retain your existing customers, get new customers, achieve target sales, even clear the excess old stocks and much more. It helps you to create discounted price for your customers. You can automate the coupon by applying date and time for a particular duration. Let's have a look into the admin. So first of all, we need to go to orders, go to coupons and discounts. And here you can see all the coupons and discounts added in your store. So to add a new coupon, click on add button. And here, first of all, we need to put the discount title. So suppose we are taking a title over here and select coupon type. And here we need to put the coupon code and then put the discount percentage or in amount, whatever you want. Now we need to put the coupon code. Suppose here summer 20, and here we need to put the discount in percentage or in amount. Then we can put the maximum discount. So we can put in amount, like in how much amount you want to give a maximum discount, like $100. And then we can put the validity. Suppose if you want to allow your customer to use this coupon from a valid date and time, then you can choose from which date and time you want to start this coupon and till which date you want to end this coupon. So you can schedule your coupon date and time as well. After that, you need to select a specific product, or you can allow your customer to use this coupon in all the products. Then we have to select discount applied on, whether you want to apply this on product price or shipping price or apply on both. Next, we have discount usage. So you can choose whether you want to use this coupon per customer single usage, or you can choose any of these options like single use coupon, per customer multiple usage, or based on user group. So accordingly, we can use the coupon. And next we have further options like customer specific discount. So here it will give you options to use this coupon based on store. So whether you want to use this on your default store or a corporate store or a specific store from the list. Next, we have conditional discount. So you can choose any condition. Suppose if you want to apply this coupon always, or product price based, product quantity based, or based on cart subtotal. Here you can see the details over here. And next we have order count. So you can choose on which order count you want to allow your customer to apply this coupon. So suppose if you want to make it equal to 1, so this coupon will be applied on the second order of the customer. Similarly, if you set 0, then it will be applied on the first order of the customer. After entering all these details, just click on save and this coupon is created. So here we go to the storefront, and here we can see we applied the coupon and it's applied successfully, and you can see the discounted price over here. Now let's talk about how we can add the discount. So first of all, we need to put the discount title similarly like the coupon, and after that you can put the discount in percentage or in amount. And similarly, the maximum you can put. Similarly, we need to select the validity from which date till which date we want the coupon to be applicable. So basic difference between coupon and discount is, in coupon we need a coupon code to use this coupon, whereas discount is directly applied on the product price and it will be shown on the product price calculator. So here we can choose the specific details, whether we want to apply this on all the products or a specific product, and conditional based discount. So after applying this, just click on save. And here let's go to the storefront and we check on the product. So here you can see the discount is applied on this product. Next we have combo discount. So combo discount is basically for multiple products. So you can choose from the product list on how many products you want to apply combined discount. So similarly, we need to put the discount title, and here we can put the percentage of discount, and then we choose the number of products on which we want to apply the combo discount. So suppose we are taking these 4 products, and then we will select the store. And then similarly, we can apply the conditional discount, or we can set the discount applicable on whether on product base price or on the product subtotal price. Now click on save button, and here we can see the discount is saved. Just click on back button, and here we can see this is a combo discount. And when we click on action, and we can set the combo product discount rules as well. Like here we can set discount percentage, minimum quantity, maximum quantity. So this kind of condition also we can set in the combo product discounts. So in this way you can create coupons in your store. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further concern, feel free to connect with us.